Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. In case you're still looking for a good hostess gift, whether you are going to a dinner party or staying with someone, you need to show your gratitude by bringing something to your host. And I came up with this Ferraro Rocher bouquet when I was invited for a birthday party, of course with a present for a birthday girl. So for this bouquet, of course, you need some candies. You can use any other circular candies as well. Then I have these tissue paper squares, some ribbon, toothpicks, scotch tape. Then I have this cute red color flower pot, and I wrapped the floral foam into this green color tissue paper to give it a leafy look. Then I'll be needing some scissors, and I designed this thank you note to wrap it around my flower pot. To start off this bouquet, first take a toothpick and insert in your floral foam. Then take two square pieces of your tissue paper and put the candy in the middle and insert your candy through the toothpick. The reason of using these square tissue paper is to give your bouquet a leafy and a fuller look. And just start repeating the same process with the rest of our candies. Insert toothpicks wherever you think it's needed. I used the whole pack and two more candies if I remember correctly. Just keep on going until you fill up all your empty spaces. Then take your scissor and trim off the extra green paper which is hanging around and make it look pretty. Then I took a burlap twine and tied this thank you tag around this flower pot. A stunning, modern and luxurious bouquet of satin luxury chocolates, Ferraro Rocher, the perfect hostess gift. It could be used as a centerpiece as well for any party and can be substituted with any chocolates like Lindt truffles. If you are making this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know, leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this DIY, click on the links to enjoy more DIYs and recipes to explore.